When you hold and turn the handle of a lever-type door lock, the latch bolt enters inside the door. When the turned handle recovers its original position, the handle loosens because of a component's fatigue. In daily life, a lever-type door lock doesn't produce inconvenience. However, the metal has high thermal conductivity when a sudden fire breaks out. Therefore, there may be the risk of burn or fatal accidents when holding and turning the door lock. You can softly open the Milda push-pull door lock with your palm. When opening the handle, the latch bolt turns 90 degrees. You can softly operate it only with one movement without friction. Milda push-pull door lock pursues universal design and barrier-free products. It has a convenient design for children, the elderly, the disabled, and adults. It's a barrier-free product that is conveniently operated with little strength. It has an ergonomic design considering the hand sizes and gripping experience. It is certified for its good design, 99.9% antibacterial treatment minimizes the cross-infection through a door lock. Also, it has an anti-panic function, enabling the user to open the closed door by pulling the handle inside. You can quickly escape when an emergency happens, such as a fire. Milda Antibacterial Push-Pull Door Lock has two types. You can choose the type according to the user. You may choose the key type push-pull door lock for the main bedroom and private area. You may choose a key type push-pull door lock for the children's room, where protection is required, and the bathroom, which has the risk of hurt from a fall. Milda push-pull door lock is compatible with the international standard of 52 pi. You can install it by yourself with 5 screws. Fix a latch on a door frame and fix a spindle inside a key. Combine the outer body with the inner body and fix them with 2 screws. Apply a handle cover and fix it with a screw. Then the installation is completed. Milda Antibacterial Push-Pull Door Lock pursues universal design and barrier-free product. We will keep researching to make a more convenient and safe door lock for the daily life of the beloved family. We will do our best for complete quality control and customer service.